Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the developer of VTube-LASER software that's used to measure tube shapes and to qualify tube shapes and then to correct tube bending machines if necessary. One of the things that I've added to VTube-LASER recently that's of paramount importance is called pass-fail qualification. With pass-fail qualification, we have a series of attributes that you can select that determine exactly what qualifies a part for pass or fail. And this can be now on a per project basis. And so it's a very important addition to VTube-LASER. I'd like to show you how this works and how it will impact you in your measuring and qualifying tube shapes. So let's get started. What I want you to notice first of all is that I've changed the user interface slightly so that it has these icons, and you can see this green square here and this green square here. Now these squares can be green or red based on whether or not the part passes the qualification that's set up in the pass-fail qualification attributes. The attributes are controlled in this new pass-fail attributes menu right here. And you can see that you can check on any one of these attributes in order to qualify what defines a pass or a failure in the qualification. So for example, I could say, well, I'd like to qualify with the end angles. I want to qualify with the axes, the intersection axes, and I might want to qualify with the AB lengths. Then you can say, I want to qualify with all of these. Well, one of these attributes has some sort of a tolerance failure. You can see because we have red here now. Okay, I know which one it is because, of course, I set this up, and it happens to be the intersection axes. Now, if we go back to the data menu and take a look at the intersections, you can see that we have some red here. So we know that the part does not pass based on this very low tolerance that I've set here just to demonstrate how this works. But I'd like to show you another way in which this could help you in your process. Let's say that you're an aerospace tube fabrication shop, and you decide that you want to bend this part so that it's the correct shape, but have long ends so that you can trim this part later. Well, in that case, you don't have to have the end lengths qualified in the beginning. So let me go ahead and load that kind of situation for you. I'm going to bring in a part that's the same part, but with long end lengths. Now in this case, let's say we're in the middle of developing this part in process and we want to get to the correct shape. Well, then we can ignore the end lengths initially. And so you just uncheck the end lengths here. And then when you're ready to qualify the part based on the end lengths as well as the shape of the part, then of course you want to make sure that it passes inspection with both of those attributes. So in this case, this part could not be released to the, for example, the aircraft in which it's going to be installed if both of these are checked on here. If you go into reports, and you look at tube inspection report, you're going to see that this part failed in the overall qualification of tangents and end lengths. But let's say that you bring in the other part that's fully trimmed. And now the question is, does the part qualify? And it does. So you've trimmed the part, you've measured the part, and now you know that if you go into reports, you're going to see that the pass-fail qualification is now set to passed. And that's how you use the new pass-fail qualification attribute system inside VTube-LASER. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to email me at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.